So today I want to talk to you about what's gone on in the 6 months since I've been monetized and what you can kind of look forward to and what you can expect if you are starting a YouTube channel and you want to get a YouTube channel going. What can you expect after you've been monetized on YouTube with the money that you make and with the amount of subscribers that you get and with the content that you put out there. I kind of wanted to talk to you about a few things today regarding a YouTube channel and kind of where you can expect that it might go for you. My name is John McFall and I want to welcome you to the McFallRI channel where I teach you how to make money and I also teach you how to manage your money. In today's video, I want to talk to you about the money that I've made so far on YouTube. I also want to talk to you about the content and what I've been putting out after I've gotten monetized and kind of talk to you about how the numbers have been flowing for me. So the first thing I want to talk about is the actual money that I've made. I'm going to put a slide up here that shows you where my dollars are. After being on YouTube and monetized for 6 months, I've made about $500. And again, like I said, when I talked to you about the first month after I got monetized, this might not sound like a lot, but this is money that I'm making by doing nothing different than I was prior to getting monetized on YouTube. I'm still doing the same amount of work and I'm still doing the same things I was before I was being monetized. So I am not really upset that I've made only $500 up to this point. This is, you know, a good week for me doing food delivery. So it actually has helped and make a difference. When you get on YouTube and you get monetized, the amount of money that you're going to make is different than the amount of money that I'm going to make. So when you are thinking about getting monetized on YouTube, you got to put together the strategies and you got to put the things in place so that you can get to that point where you get monetized, and the way that your channel takes off is going to be different than the way other people's takes off. So being at $500 after my first 6 months of being monetized on YouTube is great for me. The second thing I want to talk about is some of my actual numbers on YouTube. When I first started doing my YouTube channel, I would look at my numbers multiple times a day. I would check my views and my likes and the number of subscribers that I was getting. Everything was so critical to me at that point that I would check those numbers all the time. And over the last few months, I've actually slowed down a whole lot on keeping track of those numbers at such a finite amount that I was before, because I just have come to realize that the numbers, although they, you know, are very important, they're not that important that I need to check them every, you know, few hours to see where they are. And my subscriber base is building. The number of comments, the number of views, the number of likes, the interaction that I have with my subscribers, all that is still continuing to go up, and it's not gone down one bit. There are peaks and valleys when it comes to these numbers. You're going to have days and weeks when these numbers might tend to go down, but overall these numbers have been on a steady increase up. And what you'll find is after a while you're going to start seeing more and more people come to your channel, and this is kind of by default because you're having more and more videos out there for people to find you with, and this really helps get people turn to your channel and get you more subscribers. The last thing I want to talk to you about is my actual content that I'm putting out there, because I'm finding that this is the most exciting part to me about my YouTube journey now, is actually putting the content together and getting videos out there, because it's a lot different today than when I first started. It's a lot different than it was even 6 months ago, and the reason this is a few different things. I talked about a lot of things when it comes to food delivery when I first started my channel, and now I'm kind of taking a deeper dive in and taking a look at some deeper subjects when it comes to the content that I'm putting out there, because I'm evolving and learning and getting more information and trying different things out. So my content is evolving. On top of this, my video shooting skills is getting better. The way I have myself set up is a lot different. I'm actually getting ready to set up an actual studio, so I have the lighting and everything else put together so that I can create better videos. My editing skills have improved. I've really been focused on learning and getting better editing out there for the videos that I put out there, and the videos that I'm creating today are a lot better than the ones that I was creating when I first started. On top of that, I've actually been doing a lot with focusing on my thumbnails that I put out there. I've been working on trying some different things with thumbnails, and that's the next big project that I'm going to take on, is learning how to create those really cool, good thumbnails that really grab the attention of people when they see them in their YouTube video feed. So when you're starting out your YouTube channel, as I've said before in some other videos, just get on that camera and start recording and start getting content put together and put out there, because through doing that step of getting the video started, this is really going to help you in the long run, because over time you're really going to learn what you need to know so that you can put out the best content and you can grow your views and your likes and your subscribers because of what you are learning. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, start a YouTube channel. Get that camera out and get your videos going so that you can get it started for yourself. Want to remind you that down here in my description I have some great tools for you. The one I want to talk to you about today is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a tool that I have used since the beginning of my YouTube channel, and it has helped me grow with my views and my likes and my subscribers. I still use it now, but it's a great tool that you can use to help yourself get your YouTube channel off the ground. And if you already have one and you're looking for a great tool to take it to the next level, TubeBuddy is that tool. I'm going to throw a quick video up here so you guys can check it out.
Whether you're looking to improve an existing YouTube channel or you're starting out fresh, TubeBuddy can help. This Google Chrome extension is a safe, convenient way to grow your following. SEO tools help you choose keywords to maximize visibility, while analytics give you precise insights into your channel's progress. You can edit thumbnails and descriptions en masse, or post videos to your Facebook without having to leave the site. It can even audit your content to help prevent devastating demonetization. You can try TubeBuddy for free, but some features require a monthly subscription. Click the link below to learn more.
If you think that TubeBuddy would be a good tool that would help you get your channel going, head down into my description to go grab that link for it. And one thing I do want to say is, if you get a paid version of TubeBuddy through the link down here in my description, I do get a commission for it. But the great thing about TubeBuddy is that you could start using it for absolutely free. This is a free tool that you can use, and as your channel builds and as your channel grows, you can get into the paid versions to get some bigger and better tools. Also would like to ask you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. Finally, I want to leave you with, I hope that you are out there getting the money that you and your family deserve. And with that, I want to say thanks.